How to fix mouse scroll wheel going up and down. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix mouse scroll wheel going up and down. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into that video. First of all, you need to try the quick fix. Try cleaning the mouse wheel first using a napkin to wipe around it. However, what actually works best is blowing directly into the mouse wheel. Now blow on the wheel. Take a deep breath and blow air directly into the mouse wheel. You may need to do this a few times or blow a bit harder to get the dirt out. Now, after blowing into the wheel, test the scroll wheel again. In most cases, this should resolve the issues and make the mouse function properly again. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.